7971 Waterfall Circle, a serenely sophisticated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome within the gated community of Seaside Village. Boasting glass-walled and patio views of a wooded waterway, incredible architectural drama and quality, natural ease, all amid a resort-like setting featuring pools, spas, tennis and game courts, and natural beauty. Only moments from Pacific City, Main Street, and the world-class surf of Huntington Beach, Surf City, USA. The approach is charming, and the fireside glass-walled living room opening to a waterfront terrace are stunning, including a cathedral ceiling and monolithic fireplace. Water view dining is enchanting, enjoying a seamless flow with the gourmet kitchen. Also downstairs is a guest bathroom and finished garage with laundry. Ascend the stairs to the central bathroom, convenient to 2 distinctive bedrooms. The master suite, overlooking the wooded waterway, includes a luxurious private bathroom. Truly an amazing home and lifestyle opportunity in Seaside Village in Huntington Beach.